Today, I'm going to share with you one of my most requested recipes. It's my barbecued smash burgers. These are simple to make with incredible results. These are one of the tastiest burgers you are ever going to have. Just look at the look on my friend James's face here. This burger is outstanding. Look at this thing. Let's get at it. Okay, I'm so happy we're doing this. It's so simple. We have got our iceberg lettuce ready to go. I'm going to slice these paper thin. We're going to take the plastic off that best cheese in the world. We've got our medium ground beef. So important. Not lean, not extra lean, medium. All broken up a bit. I'm just gonna, every chef I know is gonna be in my DMs chirping at me for salting it this early, but trust me, it holds it together on the grill. If you didn't salt it, like why you don't want to salt it for a regular shaped, thicker patty is because it does make it kind of like tight like a sausage. These things are gonna be paper thin. And you want them to you want to give them every chance you can to be held together on the grill. Okay, bro, because I figured you'd rather not look at a big pile of ground beef while I explain that. If you salt it that early for a regular patty, it's gonna make it tight. It's gonna feel tight like a sausage. These are gonna be paper thin. And look, you can still not do that if you want. There's just more of a chance of something that thin not releasing properly and it kind of falling apart in the grill. This is a rapid fire cook. Like we're talking a minute aside, if you've got the heat up to the right temperature, like a minute aside max. So it just gives it a fighting chance to stay together and it tastes fucking great. So at the end of the day, that's what you want, right? Okay, so it's super simple. You just want a set for each patty you're gonna make. And you'll see what we do with them next. Okay, once again, super simple. Just form a regular sized ball. If you've got a food scale, try to weigh them. You want them around, oh nice, around 140. Somewhere between like 125 to 140. Okay, so here's one press. This is how thin they are. You want these paper thin. Let's show you how you do it. One piece of parchment paper down, one of your 140 gram balls on top, another one, take a press or a spatula, and just press down. That's it. And if you wanted to batch these, you could make 20 or 30 of them and then freeze them. Stick them in a Ziploc bag, freeze them, and then you've got something, for later when you suddenly, instantaneously need a burger. Okay, so a little butter on the griddle here. Bust open these buns. We're gonna toast those lightly. Barbecue's ready to go. Let's make some fucking burgers. Okay, so these coals, for charcoal users out there, what I like to do is get the coals fully matured. What that means is like all coals ignited, red hot, pull them down a little bit, and get this thing like scalding hot, like white hot. And then we're ready to cook. Okay, nice little stack of burgers there. Ready to go. Okay, so here's how we do it. You're gonna take the top layer off. You're gonna hold against your thumb. You get your forefinger with the other piece of parchment. And in one fill motion, you're gonna just slap that down and peel it off. So this has been about a minute, and at this point, the burger's going to have released from the grill. So let's just, seal that. Here's a little trick. Okay, get the cheese on. All right, so one more minute. We're just gonna stack those. That's the stuff.
As much as I like sex, I promise you, this is better. God damn.
That's what I'm talking about. And there you have it. Simple to make and absolutely outstanding results. You've got the whole summer ahead of you to make this for your friends and family, so get at it. Thanks for making it this far. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to download my free cookbook. Link is in the description. 8 incredible recipes for the spring in there. Go get it now.